Hey everyone, I'm really excited to tell you about Modern Sex Therapy Institute's certification in somatic sex therapy. I'm Dr. Holly Richmond. I'm Modern Sex Therapy's Associate Director and a somatic psychotherapist and a certified sex therapist. People always ask me, how do we combine sex therapy and somatic psychology? So we've put it all together. This is a robust and comprehensive 50 credit certification program with 16 electives, should you choose to add those on. So you're going to get the foundations of somatic psychology, breathwork. Then we'll add in some more of the sex therapy pieces, that traditional sex therapy framework, looking at couples, neurodiversity, non-binary individuals. You'll learn about tantra. Of course, polyvagal theory will be here, breathwork, assessment through a somatic lens, all in the interest of serving our clients better. Again, this is a comprehensive and robust certification all in one place. You'll see the description and links to the courses below, so please check it out and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.